Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Midjourney AI on the Discord app. So if you want to create AI generated images from your phone, just follow along. First, open the Discord app in your phone and then sign into your account. And if you haven't joined the Midjourney server yet, open your browser, go to the Midjourney website and then tap on sign up. Then tap in the continue with Discord. This will automatically open Discord and invite you to the official Midjourney server. Then you need to tap accept invite to join the server. Once you're in, open one of the newbies channels. Now tap the message box at the bottom and type or imagine. Select the imagine command when it appears. Next, enter a description of the image you want to create. For example, you could type a futuristic city at sunset, cinematic lighting, high detail. Then tap send. Midjourney will start generating your images. After a few moments, you'll see the results appear in the chat. You can tap the U buttons to upscale an image or the V buttons to create variations of it. If you want to generate more images, simply use the imagine command again with a new prompt. Just keep in mind that you'll need a Midjourney subscription to generate images, and that's how you use Midjourney AI on the Discord app. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.